Good morning guys. So ayan, kagigising lang natin at naririnig ko na si Star sa ilalim ng kama. Natutulog siya sa ilalim ng kama. So try kong tawagin kung pupunta siya dito sa sa kama. Okay. Star! 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 Come! Star! Nasaan kaya siya? Nahiya pa siya. Star! Star! Oh. Star! Good morning! Good morning, Star! Okay, good morning. So, Star, good morning. So, anong gagawin natin today, Star? Okay, sige, mag-math tayo. Since matagal na tayo hindi nakakapag board work. So maliligo lang ako and then we'll continue our math lessons, guys, with Star. Okay? Bye. Okay, so back to our board work here. So for today, we'll try to discuss the concepts of parallel lines and perpendicular lines. So if you would recall our episode 41, so we already had a short introduction of parallel lines. So this time, we'll try to solve more problems and the other part of it, which is perpendicular lines. So the key concepts here for parallel lines, these are two lines having the same slope. So let's try to solve more problems to better appreciate and understand parallel lines. Okay? So let's try this one. What is the equation of the line that passes through 4, 0? So we have a line that is passing through 4, 0. We are asked to find the equation of this. But we are given here a condition wherein this line is parallel to another line which has an equation x minus y minus 2 is equal to 0. Okay? So if I try to rewrite this one into slope-intercept form, so we can have it like y is equal to x minus 2. And based from your slope-intercept form, which is y is equal to mx plus b, so this line has a slope of 1 and a y-intercept which is negative 2. So that would give us a hint that this line that is passing through 4, 0 has a slope also which is equal to the slope here, which is equal to 1 slope, sorry. So let's try to graph this one to better visualize what the problem means. So let's try this one. At x equal to 0, y is equal to negative 2. So I'll try to graph the other line. So at x equal to 0, y is equal to negative 2. And then, at y is equal to 0, if you make this one 0, x will be positive 2. So this will be 2, 0. So if you try to connect that point, those points, you will have it like this. So this is the graph of this line, which is equal to x minus y minus 2 is equal to 0. Now, the problem says like we have a line also, which is parallel to this, which is passing to 4, 0. So 4, 0. It's somewhere like this, somewhere here. So if we try to extend this one, so it's somewhere here. So if I try to grab that one, it would be like this. Okay, so this is 4, 0. Okay, so we are asked to find the equation of this line. So using the point slope form, point slope form, so we have like y minus y1 is equal to m x minus x1. So we have a point which is 4, 0. So let's try to substitute now. So y minus 0 okay, because this is your x and this is your y, and then you have is equal now to your m. So parallel lines, so whatever the slope of this one is equal to the slope of that line, of this line. So this is 1, and then x minus 4. So therefore you have like y is equal to x minus 4. So if you try to rewrite this one same as this one, so this will be x minus y minus 4 is equal to 0. So in other words, this line has an equation which is x minus y minus 4 is equal to 0. Okay? So let's try perpendicular lines. Okay, so we're done with parallel lines. So this time we'll try the perpendicular lines. So the key concepts on perpendicular lines are two lines having the slope of the other line is equal to the negative reciprocal of the other line. So what do I mean by that? So let's try this example. So find the equation of the line that is passing through 3, 1, 3, 1, and is perpendicular to the line which has an equation x plus 5y plus 5 is equal to 0. So again, we will do the same. So we will have to rewrite this one into a point slope form or point intercept form, slope intercept form, which is y is equal to mx plus b for us to get the slope of this line and the y-intercept. So let's try. So that will be 5y is equal to negative x minus 5. So divide all terms by 5. So y is equal now to negative x over 5 minus 1. So in other words, this one has a slope which is equal to negative 1 over 5 and a y-intercept which is negative 1. Now, since these are perpendicular lines, so for perpendicular lines, the slope of the other line is equal now to the negative reciprocal of the other line. Okay? So if this is the slope of this one, so we can have the slope of this one which is equal to negative 1 over 5. So that will be positive. So the slope of this line has a slope which is equal to 5. So let's try to graph. At x equal to 0, y is equal to negative 1. So the point should be here. Okay? So that would be 0, negative 1. And then at y is equal to 0, x is negative 5. So this would be negative 5, 0. So if you try to connect those points, so the line has a graph that is somewhat like this. Okay. This is what? X plus 5y plus 5 is equal to 0. Okay? So there's another line which is passing through 3, 1. 3, 1. So where's 3, 1? So 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2. So passing through 3, 1. So somewhat like this. Okay? Which is, this one is 3, 1, and it's perpendicular. So that means the line of this, or the graph of this one is somewhat like this. Okay, so this is the point, and it's perpendicular, so you'll have a 90 degrees. So we are asked now to find the equation of this line. Okay, so to get the equation of the line, you'll use again the point slope form, which is y minus y1 is equal now to m x minus x1. So let's try to solve this one. So y minus y, which is 1 there, is equal now to the slope of this one, which is 5, and then x minus x1, which is 3. So y minus 1 is equal to 5x minus 15. So if you'll try to rewrite this one in this form, you'll have 5x minus y minus 15 plus 1 is equal to 0. So therefore, you have 5x minus y minus 14 is equal to 0. So the equation of this line is 5x minus y minus 14 is equal to 0. Okay? So we will be solving more problems on perpendicular and parallel lines in our next episode. So for the meantime, that's it. And we'll see you more on our Mathflex episodes. So please don't forget to watch, like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for you to get updated on our succeeding videos. Until next time, guys, bye-bye. Mathflex with Star. Bye-bye.